This is it, folks. We got a green candle like no green candle that's ever printed in the history of this country. We're pumping and we're going straight to all-time highs. It's going to be huge.
Hello traders, welcome to the rabbit hole. Let's start with a quick update. Bitcoin is still on the move upwards, consistently making higher highs and higher lows. As it stands, it remains bullish until proven otherwise. Let's dive into today's data. The average loss for today is 1.78%, which would bring Bitcoin to around $65,800, and the average gain is 3.35%, potentially pushing Bitcoin to new highs to around 69K. Now, let's analyze these levels. First, we'll examine the levels for a potential higher low, as the structure is currently bullish. A higher low on the 1, 4, and 12-hour time frame could form here at the average loss, potentially with a swing failure pattern at this level where we have a low time frame OB and a 12-hour order block. I would look to get involved here, preferably with a change in LTF structure and bullish CVD, along with some trapped shorts, potentially riding it to new highs. The invalidation for this setup would be the local low or the 12-hour low on closing base, as another SFPS ollies possible. If Bitcoin rises from here and makes new highs, a retest of this order block could also act as support later, but this will be new data, and we'll provide an update as we work with it. Now, let's explore where we could potentially see a bearish scenario. The first would be the obvious one, losing the support at this 1-hour level, which also coincides with a 4-hour and 12-hour swing low. If we get a structure break below this, it would also turn this bullish order block into a bearish breaker, where I would look for a short setup on a retest. The second scenario would involve an SFP at the highs and a structural setup. However, I would initially target this order block as a potential support level until proven otherwise. This already makes the short setup tricky, and I would most likely either use a small size or even not to take it. The best short opportunity, if it occurs, would come from losing this key support, as it has a better chance to play out. If I get a similar setup at a higher level, it would ideally be for a trade targeting this order block as the take profit. Again, this will be based on new data we'll address when we see the movement. That's all for today. I hope this quick update was helpful. Let's ride the waves together. Please make sure to read the disclaimer, as I am not a financial advisor, and this is for educational purposes only. Have a nice day, and see you in the next one.